Hello everyone, welcome back all of you in our academy. As all of you know that we have completed practice set 1.2 of Maths 2 chapter 1, that is the similarity. Of this lesson similarity ह्या चॅप्टरचे आपण 1.2 एक्सरसाइज पर्यंत आपण आपले झालेले आहेत. नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3. पण त्याआधी प्रॅक्टिस सेट सुरू करण्याआधी लेट मी टेल यू रिगार्डिंग द वेरियस टेस्ट विच वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इन दिस exercise. Okay, up till last year we have studied regarding the congruency of triangles. Congruency मध्ये आपण वेगवेगळे टेस्ट बघितले आहेत, जसं SSS टेस्ट, ASA, SAA. Okay, so SAA, all these tests regarding the congruency we have seen. Similarly, same type of test are there in case of similarity of triangles. Okay, so AA test, SSS test of similarity of triangles, it is there. SAS test of similarity of triangles. So this, depending on all these tests, we are going to solve or we are going to study practice set 1.3. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3 मध्ये आपण ह्या सगळ्या टेस्ट आपण यूज करणार आहेत आणि ऑन द बेसिस त्या टेस्टच्या बेसिसवरच ही एक्सरसाइज आहे. Okay, so all of you know regarding those tests, so I have not explained regarding those tests. We are going to start the exercise now. Okay, so this is regarding the similarity of triangles. So we'll see the practice set 1.3. As you can see, the first and the second example I have written on the blackboard. We'll go through those examples. I have drawn the diagrams also. So we'll see first example. In this example, it is given in the figure angle ABC equal to 75 degree, angle EDC equal to 75 degree, and they have asked us, that is, state which two triangles are similar and by which test. Okay, so the two triangles are similar, but by which test and which triangles are similar, that we have to prove. And one more thing they have told you, that also write the similarity with the proper one-to-one correspondence. So when we'll write that this triangle is similar to that, at that time the proper correspondence should be there. When we'll prove, at that time I will explain you regarding the proper one-to-one correspondence म्हणजे काय हे तुम्हाला मी शेवटी एक्सप्लेन करणार आहे. जेव्हा आपण दोन ट्रायंगल सिमिलर असं आपण प्रूव्ह करू तेव्हा मी one-to-one correspondence म्हणजे काय at that time I will explain you. Okay, so you can see the diagram आपल्याला दिसतोय. एक मोठा ट्रायंगल आहे, that is the triangle ABC, आणि एक छोटा ट्रायंगल आहे, that is triangle EDC, आणि आपल्याला त्याच्यात दोन अँगलची मेजरमेंट दिली आहे. अँगल D ची मेजरमेंट 75 डिग्री आणि अँगल B इज 75 डिग्री. ओके, सो विल नाउ गो थ्रू द सोल्युशन. दॅट इज, आता आपण काय करणार आहेत, आता आपण दोन ट्रायंगल घेणार. वी आर गोइंग टू टेक द टू ट्रायंगल्स, दॅट इज इन ट्रायंगल ABC and triangle EDC. ओके, ह्या दोन ट्रायंगल मध्ये आपल्याला काय दिसतंय ते आपण घेणार आहेत. अँड देन वी आर गोइंग टू से बाय विच टेस्ट दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज गिवन इन द डायग्राम, दैट वी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल राइट, दैट इज एंगल ABC is congruent to angle EDC. Okay, why they are congruent? Because they are of equal measurement. It is given in the diagram already. So angles having equal measures, we will write here equal measures, or also we can write given also equal measures, or we can write the reason, that is given. It is already given in the diagram or in the question also. Okay, second thing what we are going to write now, एक तुम्हाला सांगायचं आहे की जेव्हा आपण दोन ट्रायंगल सिमिलर हे आपण प्रूव्ह करतो त्यावेळी आपल्याला इफ यू गेट द टू टर्म्स, इट इज इनफ फॉर अस टू प्रूव्ह द सिमिलॅरिटी. जेव्हा आपण कॉन्ग्रुएन्सीमध्ये जातो तेव्हा जेव्हा आपण कॉन्ग्रुएन्सी प्रूव्ह करतो तेव्हा आपल्याला 3 गोष्टी कॉन्ग्रुएंट लागतात. मग त्या काही असतील, आयदर तिन्ही साइड्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट असतील, और 2 अँगल्स 1 साइड, or 1 side 2 angles, or all the 3 sides, or all the 3 angles, then only we can say that the by so and so test the angles are congruent. पण जेव्हा सिमिलॅरिटी येते तेव्हा आपल्याला 2 गोष्टी मिळाल्या तरी पण आपण सांगू शकतो की these 2 triangles are similar by so and so test. ओके, मग आता एक आपल्याला ऑलरेडी दिलेलीच आहे किंवा we will means by the measurement we can say that these 2 angles are congruent. मग अजून एक गोष्ट आपल्याला लागणार आहे, means the other thing or the second term is not mentioned in the diagram, it is not given in the question, but we can see that one angle is same in both the triangles, that is angle C. Angle C जो आहे तो दोन्ही triangles मध्ये आलेला आहे आणि म्हणून we can say that angle C is congruent. Okay, and we can write the reason as a common angle. So we will write here that is angle ACB is congruent to angle ECD, and we can write it the reason as a common angle. Common angle, and therefore we can say that triangle, now which 2 triangles are similar, we have to write the proper 1-to-1 correspondence. So we can write ABC congruent to EDC, or also we can write as a BCA is congruent to angle ECD by which test? By AA test of similarity. We can write the reason, that is by this test we can say that, I'm sorry, here it should be similar but not the congruent. So there is a, keep in mind, congruency and similarity च्या साइन मध्ये फरक आहे. So when we say that BCA is similar to ECD, we have to write just this sign. खाली ज्या 2 लाइन्स ज्या असतात कॉन्ग्रुएन्सीच्या त्या आपल्याला द्यायच्या नाही, फक्त एस सारखा सिम्बॉल जो आहे तेवढंच फक्त द्यायचा आहे. सो दीज 2 ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर. नाउ द क्वेश्चन रिमेन्स रिगार्डिंग द 1-to-1 कॉरस्पॉन्डन्स. 1-to-1 कॉरस्पॉन्डन्स म्हणजे काय, बरोबर तो अँगल बरोबर आला पाहिजे. आता इथे माझं ॲक्च्युली मी माझं 1-to-1 कॉरस्पॉन्डन्स नाही आहे, बट वी आर गोइंग टू राईट इट प्रॉपरली. सी नाउ हिअर व्हॉट आय हॅव रिटन, अँगल BCA, सॉरी ट्रायंगल BCA. आता अँगल बी कुणाला कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहे, इथे आपल्याला लिहिलेलं आहे अँगल बी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू अँगल डी. मग इथे जर माझा पहिला अल्फाबेट बी जर आलेला आहे तर माझा इकडे पण फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट तो डी आला पाहिजे. ओके, सो आय जस्ट रब इट अँड आय राईट इट हिअर ॲज अ डी. आता बरोबर आहे, बी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू डी, करेक्ट आहे आपला. ओके, सो दिस इज द 1-to-1 कॉरस्पॉन्डन्स. सेकंड सी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू सी जो आहे आपल्याला आलेला, दॅट इज द कॉमन अँगल. आणि थर्ड रिमेनिंग अँगल दॅट इज ए इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू डी. ओके, सो ए इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ई हिअर. विल मेक अ चेंज हिअर, दॅट इज डी, ए इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ई. ओके, तर आपल्याला बी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू डी, सी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू सी. Okay, and this is the third remaining angle. So by AA test we can prove that these 2 triangles are similar. तर हे काय झालं आपलं, हे झालं 1-to-1 correspondence. Okay, so in this way we have completed the first example. आता सेकंड सम कडे जाऊया. सेकंड सम मी ऑलरेडी लिहिलेच आहे, यू कॅन सी ऑन द ब्लॅकबोर्ड. दॅट इज आय हॅव ड्रॉन द 2 triangles are there, that is triangle PQR and triangle LMN. These 2 triangles are there. I have written the measurement, means they have given the measurement to us. PQ 6 आहे, QR 8 आहे आणि PR 10 आहे. सेकंड ट्रायंगलची पण मेजरमेंट दिलेली आहे, LN 3, MN 4 आणि LN हा 5 आहे. आता त्यांनी आपल्याला काय विचारलंय की वेदर द गिवन ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर ऑर नॉट, अँड इफ यू थिंक that if you means according to you, if the triangles are similar, then by which test they are similar, that we have to write it. Okay, so now we will solve this example. So first of all, that is the solution. Okay, now in this what we are going to see, or what we can see in the given diagram, that is the, we will take the ratios now. Okay, ratio of the sides of the triangle. So what will be our first ratio, that is PQ upon LN. पहिला रेशो आपला काय आहे, PQ upon LN. त्याची मेजरमेंट आपण लिहून घ्यायची. सो PQ is what? PQ is 6, LM is 3. We can divide 6 by 3. So by dividing we will get 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. Okay. Therefore what we will get? Therefore PQ upon LM is equal to 2 upon 1, and we will number this as number 1. Okay. Now we will take the second ratio. Second ratio, that is QR upon MN. Okay. So what is QR? QR is 8, MN is 4. Again here we can divide, that is 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. Okay. So what we got here, that is QR upon MN is equal to 2 upon 1. We will number it as a number 2. Okay. Now the third ratio, that is PR upon LN. Okay. What is the measurement of PR? Is 10 upon 5. Again we can divide 10 by 5. So 5 1s are and 5 2s are. Okay. So therefore we get as a PR upon LN is equal to 2 upon 1. This is number 3. Okay. So now from these three ratios, what we can see, that all these three ratios are equal. See, PQ upon LM, QR upon MN, and PR upon LN. Okay. So what we will write here, that is in triangle PQR and triangle LMN. In these two triangles, what we are able to see, that is PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon LN, and we can write the reason as a from 1, 2 and 3. Okay. From these three we can get that these ratios are equal, and so therefore we can say that triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN. Okay. By which test? By SSS test of similarity we can say that these two triangles are similar, because here we can say that the corresponding sides are equal, their ratios are equal, and so we can say that these two triangles are similar by SSS test. So in this way we have finished example number 1 and 2. We will see the next example, that is example number 3 and 4. Both the examples I have written on the board, and we will see now what is given. As you can see that in both the sums the diagram is given in your textbook. So see the third sum now, that is as shown in the figure, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. You can see the figure. So here now the two poles are PR and AC. These are the two poles with measurement or with the height of 4 and 8 meter. Okay. And they are perpendicular to the ground. QR and BC is the ground level. Okay. So PR and AC are perpendicular to the ground. These are the poles of height 4 and 8 meter. Now due to the sunlight, both these poles cast a shadow. उन्हामुळे किंवा ड्यू टू द सनलाइट सावली पडते जमिनीवर, अँड दिस शॅडो इज कास्ट सायमल्टेनियसली और वन ॲट अ टाइम. So the shadow of the one pole whose height is 4 meter, its shadow is 6 meter, and they have asked you what will be the height of the bigger pole. Okay, so we have to find the height of the bigger pole now. So we will describe now. First of all, we will describe the figure. Okay, so the solution. Okay, so what we are able to see here now, PR and AC are the poles perpendicular to the ground. Are the poles perpendicular to the ground. Okay, and what is there now? QR and BC are the shadows. Okay. Now we'll take the ratio. Now these two triangles are already similar. Why? Because you know they have given that what will be, how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time. So the shadows of both the poles is cast one at the same time. एकाच वेळी दोघा पोलची सावली पडते एकाच वेळी. And due to this, what has happened, that we can say that both the triangles are similar, and so directly we can write the ratios of these triangles. Okay, so now we will directly write down the ratios, that is PR upon AC is equal to QR upon RC. Here we can write that is the corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay, of similar triangles. Now we'll write the measurement. What is the measurement of PR? PR is 4, AC is 8, is equal to QR is 6 and RC we don't have. Okay, therefore RC is equal to, we'll cross multiply now, that is 6 into 8 upon 4. Okay, 6 into 8 upon 4. So we'll divide 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. Therefore RC is equal to 6 twos are 12 meter. Okay, so we got the measurement of RC or CR, we can say, that is 12. At the end, we can write the ratio, that is the shadow of the bigger pole is 12 meter. In the sentence, in the full sentence, we can write the answer at the end. So in this way, sorry, it is not RC, QR upon BC it is. Okay, I'm sorry here. So QR upon BC. So we got the answer, or we got the measurement of BC, that is 12. Okay, so PR upon AC. See, PR upon AC equal to QR upon BC. Okay, QR upon BC. So we have written the measurement, we have cross multiplied, and we have got the measurement, or we have got the length of the shadow, that is the 12 meter, which is on the ground. Okay, in this way we can solve. It is very simple. Even though we can see that sum जो आहे, word problem जो आहे, तो एवढा मोठा आपल्याला दिसतोय, पण solve करताना it is very easy. Now we'll see the next sum, that is the fourth one. You can see that is the diagram is given to you. In triangle ABC, see the triangle ABC is given to you. In this triangle, AP is perpendicular to BC. Okay, you can see AP is perpendicular on BC. Similarly, BQ is perpendicular on AC. Okay, then we have to prove that the triangle CPA means this triangle is similar to triangle CQB. Okay, so this triangle CPA is similar to CQB. We have to prove this, and after that we have to find AC. They have given us some measurement. AP equal to 7, BQ equal to 8, BC equal to 12, and we have to find AC. So first what we have to do, सगळ्यात आधी आपल्याला काय प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे की हे दोन ट्रायंगल्स जे आहेत CPA आणि CQB, these two triangles are similar. हे सगळ्यात आधी आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. So solution. Okay, in triangle CPA and triangle CQB. आता ह्या दोन ट्रायंगल्स मध्ये आपल्याला काय काय दिले, that we will write it. That is angle in triangle CPA we can see angle P is 90 degree. In triangle CQB we can say that angle Q is also 90 degree. So these two angles we can say that they are congruent because the measure of each angle is 90 degree. Okay, so we will write here that is angle CPA is congruent to angle CQB. Okay, reason आपल्याला लिहायचं आहे की each angle is a 90 degree. each angle is 90 degree. Or also we can write each angle is a right angle. काही आपण लिहू शकतो. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला अजून काय दिसतं? As I told you, to prove that the triangles are similar, the two terms are enough for us. So here in the diagram or in the question only one thing is given to us, that is the angle P and angle Q is the right angle. Then one more thing, as I told you, that we should move to एक जर आपल्याला मिळालं तर दुसरं आपण काय बघायचं आहे? We should think over or we should think regarding the common angle. So in this two triangles, C is the common angle we can see. So we will write here, that is angle ACP or angle PCA is congruent to angle QCB. आणि आपण काय घ्यायचं रिझन? दॅट इज द कॉमन अँगल. व्हेरी सिम्पल इट इज. कॉमन अँगल. आता दोन टर्म्स जे टू टर्म्स वी हॅव गॉट इट. सो वी कॅन से दॅट देअरफॉर वी कॅन से दॅट ट्रायंगल CPA is similar to triangle CQB. Okay, we should write the reason, that is by AA test. AA test of similarity. Similarity of triangles, or just we can write as a AA test of similarity. आता आपण काय करणार आहेत? आता triangles to prove झालेत. Now we have to write the corresponding sides, ratio of the corresponding sides. आता आपण ratios लिहूया. Now PC is not given to us, so we will not take the PC. We will take as AP. So AP upon, see the ratio, AP upon BQ is equal to AC upon BC. Okay, see the ratios we have taken, that is AP upon BQ and AC upon BC. Okay, PC आपण घेणार नाहीत कारण आपल्याला त्याची मेजरमेंट दिलेली नाही. सो वी नो नीड टू टेक दॅट. ओके, वी विल राईट द रिझन, दॅट इज कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay, now we'll write the, substitute the values. What is the measurement of AP? AP 7. So 7 upon BQ is 8. Then AC किती आहे? AC आपल्याकडे नाही आहे. BC is what? BC is 12. We'll cross multiply. Therefore AC equal to 7 into 12 upon 8. Okay, now we will divide this. We can divide by 4. 4 3s are 12 आणि 4 2s are 8. आता याच्या पुढे आपली डिव्हिजन जात नाहीये. सो व्हॉट वी गॉट नाउ, 7 3s are 21 upon 2. आता 21 ला जर आपण 2 ने डिव्हिजन दिली तर आपल्याला काय आन्सर येणार आहे? AC is equal to 2 1s are 2, again 2 zeros are and 2 5s are 10. We'll get the answer as a 10.5. Okay, so in this way we can find the value of AC. Okay, very simple it is. Now we'll move towards the next examples. So dear students, today we have completed 4 sums. Okay, and in the next video, in the next lecture, we'll study the remaining examples. Thanks for watching.